I'm Hyacinth, and I've been VTubing for 3 months now. And as someone who is chronically offline, I've learned a bunch of lessons the hard way. Today, I want to share everything that I wish I knew before starting VTubing in 2025. Things that would have saved me so much time, so much stress, and so much overthinking. Before you start posting, create a brand Bible. If you don't know what a brand Bible is, that's okay. It's a comprehensive guide that contains established rules and guidelines for your visual and verbal identity. It's to ensure consistent messaging and application of the brand across all communications and marketing efforts. It details elements like logo usage, color palettes, typography, brand voice, mission, vision, and target audience, acting as a roadmap for maintaining a unified and recognizable brand presence. I wish I made mine sooner because it would have helped to have all of my thoughts in one place that I could look at and reference for further use regarding myself and my content creation. Keep recordings of everything you make, even your drafts and your failed streams. You'll have to use them later for your content ideas, highlights, or anything else. For my first month of making content, I threw away a lot of footage, and I knew that was mainly because of my perfectionism. But it's okay to use those things and keep them later. Twitter is the worst. Don't use it. Well, I mean, you can use it, but to socialize, I guess. Post on Blue Sky and YouTube Shorts instead. Even TikTok. People actually see content there. Considering you clicked on this video, you must be another VTuber just starting out or curious and wanting to give it a try. What's one thing that you wish you knew before starting VTubing? Are you just starting? Your model doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, I would say the more imperfect, the better. Yes. uh, VTuber models are expensive, okay? You know what else is expensive? Diamonds. Diamonds are pretty expensive. I love diamonds. When I was talking about my VTuber model with my dad, I was feeling pretty worthless. I was questioning if I would even stand out, or if I even deserve to be around, or even trying this because my model and my rigging was not the best. And he told me something that actually stuck with me. A VTuber model is like a diamond. You can spend a fortune on the most polished model and hire the best rigger and the best artist and make it as flawless as you can. But it's not truly as valuable as something you make yourself that has flaws and imperfections. Those flaws are actually what makes it unique. Diamonds, the most expensive ones, like pink or blue diamonds, have impurities, and the more imperfect, the more unique and special they are. The same goes for your VTuber model or PNG if you are a PNGTuber. It doesn't have to be flawless. Its imperfections are actually what makes it yours. And it's also what would make you stand out. Because everyone is trying to be hyper polished, no one wants their flaws to be seen. And that could work to your benefit. That also goes for your persona. Don't sanitize your interests and your personality. That is a no. The future of content creation lies in authenticity. People want authenticity. In a world where AI is everywhere, that's the difference between you and the 1000th VTuber that there is out there. Lean into your unique personhood, your background, and your experiences. That's what will make you shine. And if you like this diamond, you're a wonderful garden fairy. Be a good seed and like and subscribe if you like this video so far. Batch creating shorts by turning long form content into bite-sized clips. It saves time, it grows your reach. Link those short forms to your long forms so people will find your long form content. I know, I know, you're feeling lazy, you're tired, but add the subtitles to your videos. People will more likely stick around if you actually have subtitling in place, especially with your short form content. If you subtitle, people are more likely to watch all the way through. DaVinci Resolve actually has a auto subtitle plugin available. I don't someone made one of those. I don't know why, but it works with the free version and it will save you time. Don't do it all by hand. You are exhausting yourself. You already have a small energetic battery. You have a small battery. Don't do that. You deserve to be here also. Don't, just like everyone else. Don't let anyone stop doubting yourself. Believe in yourself. Just because just because just because if you believe in yourself, no one will be able to stop you. And if no one can stop you, then you'll always succeed. Growing slowly is better than growing faster than you can handle. It keeps things sustainable. Don't feel like you need to post videos every day or stream every day. Your health and your energy matters. Posting consistently is what matters. Not posting frequently and then burning out does not matter. So just stay consistent to what fits your schedule and your energy. Building community takes time. Patience is key. It takes about 3 to 6 months on average just to start getting pushed out more by the algorithm on YouTube. That's about 90 to 183 days. Going viral is, yes, sensational, but it's also pretty uncommon or incredibly exhausting to do. Unless you have that kind of energy, I suggest you try to pace yourself. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Schedule everything. It keeps your content consistent without burning yourself out. I am a university student, so I batch create and make content for at least 1 month in advance. It helps me be able to continue to pursue my academic experiences and maintain my life outside of just doing VTubing, and also be able to create content comfortably and easily for myself. And it works for me. You might have to do something according to however your schedule is and how your life is, but it works. Use a teleprompter app. If you script your videos, it makes your recordings so much smoother to do, and it also is better than using Microsoft Word. Don't use Microsoft Word like me. I was an idiot. I did some really dumb things. But don't use Word instead of PowerPoint. What is wrong with me? Get a, get a teleprompter app. It doesn't even have to be an actual teleprompter. Just get a free teleprompter app. There are loads of those. I have easy teleprompter, but you could use whatever the fuck, I guess. Um, yeah. Don't don't use Microsoft Word for your presentations while you're recording your videos to keep track of your notes. That's a waste of time. Make a Discord server. It's a good way to keep your small community informed. Yes, I neglected to do that until earlier this month. I I kept forgetting to, and then did not for an extended period of time. Do that. That's important. Bots are everywhere. Don't be fooled. They're not real people. Even if you interact with them and they respond. And if you do interact with them, you can get shadow banned. That's not something anyone wants. So let's not talk to the bots, okay? Pretend as though they don't exist. They're not real people anyway. Nothing is personal. People can be mean online, but it reflects on them, not you. Don't take them on. Believe in yourself. Slow growth is completely natural. It's okay if you feel jealous, but it's how you react to that jealousy and how you cope with that jealousy is what determines your weight in gold. Jealousy is usually a sign that you see someone with something you really wish you yourself had access to or have. I suggest doing a couple journal prompts if you find yourself experiencing feelings of envy or jealousy for any reason at all. It doesn't even apply to just VTubing alone because this is something that I do. I did before even trying VTubing. But if you at any point experience feelings of envy or jealousy or any of those stinky e's, yeah, um, journal. Try to figure out why you feel jealous of this person and what you could do about it. Not try to copy the person, obviously, but how can you improve your life and build your life and go after the things that you want in a way that isn't harmful to others or yourself. That that is what determines your weight and goal because jealousy isn't necessarily a bad thing. It's just a sign that there's something as a human being that you want. It's not a bad thing. It's what you do with it. So be healthy with your be healthy. Use that jealousy or feelings to look into yourself, dig deep, and figure out why you feel that way. And when you figure out why you feel that way, then you take take that reason as to why you feel that way. That is completely it is never about that person. It's always about yourself. Once you figure out why, you tackle whatever that is and you improve yourself. You grow as a person and you'll get what you want eventually. That is for you. It's not the person's own. It's for you. Just you. Yeah. And honestly, nobody cares about your tiny mistakes. Just start creating anyway and let off that pressure. It's okay to fumble. It's okay to be a human being. It's okay to be a human being. I know we all try super hard to be as perfect as possible. And I admire that. As someone who is a perfectionist and has an unhealthy level of perfectionism, we can admire that, okay? I can admire that because I know what it's like. but but that at the same time, what you really, really want is to give yourself grace because this is something entirely new that you're starting. If you are starting and you're looking at this right now, um, treat yourself with patience, treat yourself with grace, treat yourself with kindness because at the end of the day, growing or creating progress for yourself in an online landscape is great and all, but your health is more important than anything, any social or whatever online gratification. It your well-being is more important. Health comes first, and I will live by that, and I will advocate for it. So, those are my lessons as a chronically offline VTuber in 2025. Imperfect models, slow growth, scheduling, and just starting despite all of the fear. It all matters. What's one thing you wish you knew before starting VTubing? Are you planning on giving it a try? Share it in the comments. I'd love to hear stories. I love stories. And I'm live every Wednesday at 7 p.m. EST on Twitch, as well as every Saturday at 7 p.m. EST on Twitch. So don't be afraid to stop by. I might start multi-streaming soon. I'm not sure. I I yeah. You can also find me on X as well as Blue Sky. Bye bye. It was nice, my little seedling.